So with the temperatures getting a little bit warmer, it's time for us to prep our beds, and they were a little neglected over the winter. Uh, we'll have pictures of the before, and then as we progress, you'll see the after. But we got quite a bit of work to do, and so let's show you what we found at our local town, uh, and that's going to definitely help out our beds. Look at that, we struck black gold. If one of the things that you can use to put into your beds that will really help with growing your crops is compost. And you can go to Lowe's, Home Depot, and buy the bags.
Which we did last year, and it was super expensive.
Mm-hmm.
We definitely spent a couple $100 filling up the beds and whatnot. But this right here, I don't know how I heard it. Honestly, I don't remember. But if you check with your local municipality, they all the leaves and debris that they pick up throughout the year and in the fall, they take all of that to a composting facility and they make compost. And some cities will sell it back to the residents. So that's what we did here. So this whole truckload right here, which is 1.5 cubic yards, cost us $12.50.
And we will be making many more rounds, because we've got the beds over there that we got to do for the flowers, and then we got all
plus the 9 that are over here
of this, and so we're going to at least do 1 or 2 trips more. But let's get you guys set up so you guys could see us clearing out the beds. guys, we're all done. One full truckload of dirt or of compost gone. But took about 3 hours, around 3 hours to do it. But it was well worth it. I mean, when you can get compost for $12.50, I mean, you can't beat that. We could have had it delivered, but then we would have dealing with the carting it to the beds from where they delivered it. So this was just a lot better option. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. We are going to treat ourselves to some Mexican tonight, so you guys might see some pictures of our celebration for working so hard today. But you guys have a good one, and if you like this content like this, make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.